Good morning, my friends. How are you guys doing? Hey, today we're gonna do something different today. But first thing, I need to clean my fireplace and fix the. I need to weld the. I need to weld this back together because it broke. So I'm gonna weld this really quick. Then, yeah. Well, damn, it's dirty. First, I'm gonna clean the fireplace. Let's put some gloves on. Oop, hold on. So last Christmas, about a month ago, uh, all the gift wraps. That's where I burn all the gift wraps instead of tossing in the trash. So it's really dirty. I need to clean it. So these all the ashes from the fireplace, guys. Almost a bag full. So for the welder, we're gonna be using this Century brand flux cord wire feed. It's a wire feed welder. So it's almost like a suitcase. Look at that. Look how small it is. Look how tiny it is. I only bought this for like $100 something bucks, like 130, 140, something like that in Home Depot or Lowe's. I don't remember, but yeah, I bought it somewhere. Yeah, and it's wire feed. It works on 120 watts, so you can just plug it in any outlet in your house. So yeah, I'm gonna do some welding inside my house, but we'll do it right there in the fireplace. And also we're gonna use this Lincoln. It's a automatic, so it's gonna be automatically will turn dark when I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Oh, this is not a paid promotion, okay? I'm just showing you guys because I like it. Well, dang it! I just realized that this metal right here is a cast iron, so it's not gonna work. I tried welding it and it breaks right away because it's cast iron. So my welder's not gonna work on cast iron. Yeah, if you guys don't know, there is a special welder that that you can use for cast iron metal. So mine won't work to it. I mean, it'll work, but it won't stick. So yeah. So I'm probably just gonna buy a new, not welder, new crate, whatever you call that thing for the lugs. Yeah. And yeah, we'll do some something else.
Galvin's adventure.